be clear, I don't have a meeting with leaders to read out at this time or to announce, but we've been really clear. We will not, there will not be any negotiations over the debt ceiling. We will not do that. It is their constitutional duty. You think about how Congress has dealt with the debt ceiling for the past several decades. It is their responsibility, their constitutional responsibility to act. And so, but more broadly speaking, at the start of this new Congress, I've mentioned this before and I'll mention it again, we're reaching out to all members from both sides of the aisle so they make sure that they know who to reach out to when it comes to the Office of Legislative Affairs so that we continue to build those relationships. Again, in the past, there has been bipartisan cooperation to address the debt ceiling, and that's how it should be. It should not be used as a political football. That is not how we should be moving forward here. Our outreach is deliberate to ensure Congress knows that the debt ceiling must be addressed, again, without conditions. But always, I'm not going to read out any specific meetings or don't have anything else to read out about the president meeting with leadership.
Good afternoon, friends. Happy January 18th to all of you. Friends, more relief is on the way for the American people. Thanks to President Biden's new legislation, millions of Americans will be able to receive a big boost to their bank accounts, and billions of dollars in relief funds are currently available to be claimed. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video about these relief funds. Also, to say thank you for being part of this community and joining me here every day, I will be giving away 2 Walmart gift cards this coming Friday. Friends, please enter the giveaways. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the more likely your chances, my friends, of winning these giveaways. When the crisis struck in early 2020, our federal government made billions of dollars available to help Americans survive the economic downturn and unemployment that ensued, eventually passing on some funds to U.S. states for additional assistance for their residents. While Republicans and Democrats in the House and Senate continue negotiations on the next pieces of legislation, 6 U.S. states still have some money left to distribute to qualifying residents. Plus, new programs that could put money back into the pockets of millions of Americans took effect January 1st under the Inflation Reduction Act that was approved by Congress and signed into law by President Biden last year. California, Colorado, Idaho, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and South Carolina are the 6 states that still have funds allocated in 2022 to distribute this year. Each state has different qualifications and payment amounts. For example, in California, payments range from $200 to $1,050 and are based on income, tax filing status, and household size. In Pennsylvania, rebates go only to residents 65 and older, widows and widowers who are 50 years old and older, and individuals with disabilities who are at least 18 years old and meet certain income limits. Recipients of some of the programs will receive their money in January, with payments from other states spread throughout spring. Greater opportunities for financial benefits exist under the programs, which are offered through the Inflation Reduction Act, but recipients must meet certain criteria. There are several benefit components that are launched in January, and you may qualify. These include programs focused on both health savings and benefits. You can also take advantage of energy savings programs. For Medicare recipients with Part D plans, the cost of insulin, no matter how much is prescribed, will be capped at $35 per month without a required deductible. Plans have until the end of March to update their systems to reflect this change. Your plan, by law, must reimburse you if you pay more than $35. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services estimates at least 1.4 million Americans are covered by Medicare will benefit from this. The Inflation Reduction Act also extended enhanced subsidies to lower health insurance premiums through the end of 2025. So if you shop for health insurance through healthcare.gov or your state's marketplace, you will continue to save money. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services reports that consumers saved an average of $800 on their premiums in 2021. The U.S. government is marching towards a more green energy-run country in the next few years. That is why they also have tax credits available to those who change their old appliances for more efficient ones, with homeowners and renters being able to receive up to $8,000 for purchases. This is all part of the Inflation Reduction Act that was put in place in August 2022, which also offers a payment of 30% of the installation cost for a solar rooftop system. So if you make changes to your home's energy efficiency, you may qualify for tax credits of up to $3,200 that will help fund your home upgrade. Qualifying improvements include things such as the installation of heat pumps, water heaters, insulation, and doors and windows, or upgrading your home's electrical panel. With these improvements, you'll get the tax credit, but you'll also save on your energy costs long into the future. Also, friends, if you have been considering buying an electric vehicle, now could be the time. Through the Inflation Reduction Act, you can receive up to a $7,500 credit when you buy a new electric vehicle and up to $4,000 on specific electric vehicles and plug-in vehicles. You'll also need to meet certain financial criteria, such as a household income of less than $300,000 for new autos and half of that for used vehicles. Well, my amazing and most beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this January 18th. My friends, thank you for joining me here every day and for being part of this community. I will be announcing 2 winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway this coming Friday. Please make sure that you enter the giveaways. All you have to do, friends, is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and very blessed week.